Ashley, where are we? Where? Hell.
Yep.
Why do you say that? What's that gross stuff in the water?
You? You went to a potty.
Rosie, where are you? Where are we?
We're at Niagara Falls.
What one are those? What one are those?
I need a cracker.
Ew, water! Oh, I just stuck my hand in the water.
I need a cracker.
Hey Ashley, want to tell a story about the seagulls?
So, this one time, we're sitting in the car, and there's some seagulls, and we have crackers. We take a cracker, we throw it out the window, and then all the seagull, it goes rushing towards the cracker, and then all of a sudden, like 50 other seagulls come, and they all try and attack
What
the car.
noise do they make?
So, we throw more crackers out the window, and then they started attacking the car, and then one hit my window, and I screamed, and I put my window up.
Ashley, what noise do they make?
Caw.
No, do it. Then you do a better one.
Yeah, that sounds like a seagull.
Ashley, can we go swimming in there?
Yeah? Yeah.
Can we go? I want to go down it in a barrel.
Me too. Johnny will too.
Why don't we talk about our friend Johnny?
We'll talk about that on the way home.
Okay.
It'll keep me wiggling.
Bird.
I just did my song.
Ashley's on drugs.
I just did my song.
Observation tower.
What made of the mist going into the mist?
I think it's coming back.
Yeah, don't be stupid.
What happens if it capsizes?
Well, then that's fine. I hope you can swim at least a little. Which you probably couldn't. Probably didn't go to sea, so you're done.
Oh boy. We have to walk up a big ass hill.
And you can go walk right beside, like, see how they're right by the
Oh
water
boy.
almost? Just walk down. Yeah. Oh, down there. How do you get over there? You go around. There's like you go over the bridge. Right?
That's America.
Right there.
That's Canada. Canada.
Where'd you come from?
We came from Montreal, and now we're at Niagara Falls,
Yeah.
which is in Canada.
There you go. You just went up in the water.
Canuckland.
Oh, I know where you went. We're watching for a loon. He went swimming.
Why?
Right there. He got hungry. And he's hiding from Rosie. I think he
Rosie,
killed him.
what noise do loons make?
I see him. He went up. He's back under there. Loon? Our pond loon. Look, there he is. He's going to make a cry like a crazy person. Loon. It's like noon and bitch, but woo.
Loony.
That's what they call Tyler.
Tyler's her brother. He's not talkative. One time he said hi to me, and that's about it. There's a boat.
I want to ride a boat.
Oh, look, the boat is right there.
It's going in still.
That takes a while.
They have two, I believe. You go like right in the mist and you get sopping wet. So they give you ponchos, but you still get sopping wet. It's so much fun not wearing them. Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's head up the hill.
Oh yeah. What?
Let's head up the hill.
Yeah. It's gonna be like climbing Mount Royale.
Except worse. Look at my watch. It's all gross right now. It's 3 o'clock.
Bye. See you when you get home. Bye.